Want louder, cleaner sound in your car but your audio just feels weak? Welcome back. In part 3 of our series, we're checking out some of the best car audio amplifiers that boost power, improve clarity, and deliver deep, punchy bass for an upgraded driving experience. Whether you're into music or just love great sound on the road, these amps make a huge difference. Stay till the end to find the perfect amplifier for your setup, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Boss Audio Systems our 1100 MK amplifier. Upgrade your car audio system with this complete amplifier and wiring kit package that includes high-quality cables such as 30 feet speaker wire, 8-gauge power and ground cables, RCA interconnects, turn-on wire, fuse holder, terminals, tubing, and accessories for a clean and reliable installation. Powered by a high-performance amplifier delivering up to 1,100 watts max at 2 ohms and 550 watts at 4 ohms for strong and dynamic sound output, built on efficient Class AB topology that balances sound quality and performance, enhanced with a MOSFET power supply for precise voltage control and improved efficiency without signal loss, featuring a variable low-pass crossover that allows you to fine-tune bass frequencies for optimal subwoofer performance, along with the switchable bass boost function that lets you customize low-end output to match your listening preference, making it an ideal solution for achieving powerful, clear, and fully customizable car audio performance. At number 2 we have Rockville DB15 Mono Car Amplifier. Powerhouse Performance delivers 6,000 watts peak and 1,500 watts dyno-certified RMS power at 2 ohms, offering powerful, distortion-free bass for subwoofers. Customizable sound fully adjustable 12 dB/octave crossover, subsonic filter, 15 Hz to 55 Hz, and phase control for precise audio adjustments. Premium build quality high-speed MOSFET power supply, optical coupler Class D technology, and IC-controlled protection for durability and efficiency. Convenient features includes remote dashboard subwoofer control, RCA preamp outputs, and LED status indicators for easy use and monitoring. Built to last features a 150 amp fuse and robust construction with carefully selected components. Designed for consistent performance, the amplifier includes rust-proof materials and top-tier technology to handle demanding car audio setups with ease. At number 3 we have Orion 1-channel Class D amplifier. This Class D monoblock amplifier exhibits quality frequency response rates and crossover network, which places this amp at a prominent place. Durable design and highly efficient performance makes this mono sub-amp stand out amongst the others. This Cobalt subwoofer amplifier for car speakers is able to power loads of 1 ohm on a continuous basis without facing any difficulties like overheating, making extra sounds. This Class D amplifier is designed to power subwoofers that have a constant demand of high power in order to operate effectively. The monoblock subwoofer amplifier for car stereo speakers with MOSFET power supply comes with low-level inputs. A low-level, RCA, input is measured in voltages. Essentially carry signal from your receiver to your amplifier to your speakers. The monoblock bass boost amplifier has features like frequency response, 10250 Hz, low-pass filter, bass boost, subsonic control, remote bass knob, MOSFET power supply, thermal protection, phase shift. At number 4 we have Rockville DB55 4000 watts 5-channel amplifier. High power output delivers 4,000 watts peak power, with 120 watts x4 channels plus 500 watts x1 channel at 2 ohms, and 80 watts x4 channels plus 300 watts x1 channel at 4 ohms, providing robust and clear audio for your car's subwoofer system. Advanced sound control features fully adjustable 12 dB/octave crossover, subsonic filter, and 12 dB bass equalizer for precise audio tuning. Efficient MOSFET technology high-speed MOSFET power supply ensures stable and efficient performance, enhancing overall sound quality. User-friendly design includes remote dashboard subwoofer control, LED illuminated logo, and RCA line input/output for flexible installation and easy operation. Comprehensive protection equipped with IC-controlled protection circuitry to safeguard against overheating, voltage fluctuations, and short circuits, ensuring long-lasting durability. At number 5 we have DS18 Car Amplifier Stereo. High-performance, DS18's SXE series of amps was designed for users looking for an extreme increase to the quality of music reproduced by their vehicle. The SXE 4000.4D guarantees your sound system's speakers perform at their peaks on every use. Variable crossover. The SXE series of amplifier gives users the ability to tailor the audio reproduced by their vehicle to their personal listening preferences through the use of its fully variable crossover, adjustable gain input sensitivity, and multi-channel amplifier design, everything you need to take control of your listening experience. Perfect size. As a Class D amplifier, the SXE series uses power transformers significantly smaller than your average amplifier, making it the perfect size for any vehicle's custom build, but what it lacks in size it makes up for in power. Supercharge. The SXE 4000.4D has a power output of 750 watts x2ch bridged at 4 ohms, 430 watts x4ch at 2 ohms, 275 watts x4ch at 4 ohms. Perfect power settings to supercharge any custom build. At number 6 we have Pile 2000 watts 4-channel car stereo amplifier. Power your car audio system with this high-performance 4-channel amplifier delivering up to 2000 watts of bridgeable output for strong and dynamic sound, equipped with switchable bass boost, variable gain control, and a configurable electronic crossover network for precise audio tuning, featuring silver-plated RCA ports that minimize signal loss and a built-in subsonic filter to eliminate unwanted low-frequency interference for cleaner sound quality, powered by a MOSFET pulse width modulation system that ensures efficient, distortion-free audio with crisp and clear output, designed with advanced safety features including thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection to keep both your vehicle and system secure, all housed in a slim and compact design that makes installation easy in tight spaces, complemented by LED indicators, RCA output, a soft turn-on circuit, and a durable glass epoxy PCB, making it a reliable and powerful solution for enhancing your in-car audio experience. At number 7 we have Recoil 4-channel car audio amplifier. Upgrade your car audio system with this high-performance Class D 4-channel amplifier delivering up to 1040 watts max power, with RMS output of 130 watts x4 at 2 ohms and 80 watts x4 at 4 ohms, along with bridged power of 260 watts x2 at 4 ohms for flexible and powerful configurations, built with a high-speed MOSFET power supply and premium internal components to ensure stable, efficient, and long-lasting performance, supported by advanced 4-way protection circuitry that safeguards against overheating, overload, and short circuits for reliable operation, featuring a wide range of adjustable controls including gain, low-pass filter, high-pass filter, crossover, and bass EQ to fine-tune your sound for different setups, designed with highly efficient heat sinks that keep the amplifier cool even during extended use while adding a modern and sleek appearance, all packed into a compact form factor measuring 7.48 by 5.90 by 1.77 inches for easy installation in tight spaces, making it a versatile and dependable choice for enhancing your in-car audio experience. At number 8 we have Taramps TS1200 by 4 amplifier car audio. The Taramps TS line consists of premium stereo multi-channel amplifiers meticulously engineered to deliver exceptional audio performance. These amplifiers offer compatibility with subwoofers, woofers, two-way speakers, three-way speakers, drivers, and super tweeters. The line encompasses amplifiers with 4 channels, feature RCA input, and select models also provide a high-level input option and automatic activation. Taramps TS1200 by 4 2 ohms amplifier has 1200 watts RMS powerhouse, packs a punch that will transform your ride. Featuring 4 separate channels with automatic activation, this amp delivers a stunning 300 watts RMS per channel, distributing its 1200 watts RMS across the entire frequency spectrum. This versatility allows you to connect a wide range of speakers, drivers, and tweeters, ensuring crystal clear highs and powerful mids. The TS1200x4S has high-level and RCA inputs, gain adjustment, and fixed crossover, HPF, LPF, and full, providing ultimate flexibility, and fine-tune the amplifier to perfectly match your specific speakers. At number 9 we have Boss Audio Systems Car Amplifier. Upgrade your car audio setup with this powerful full-range Class AB 4-channel amplifier delivering up to 300 watts max x4 at 2 ohms, 150 watts x4 at 4 ohms, and 600 watts max x2 bridged at 4 ohms for flexible and high-output performance, designed to run both speakers and subwoofers with ease for a complete sound system solution, featuring Class AB topology that balances efficiency and sound quality for clear and dynamic audio, equipped with variable gain control to properly match the input signal from your receiver for optimal performance, along with adjustable bass boost that lets you fine-tune low-frequency output to your preference, supported by a fixed high-pass crossover that enhances clarity by directing higher frequencies to speakers and tweeters, and bridgeable channels that allow you to combine power for even greater output, making it a versatile and reliable choice for delivering powerful, customized, and high-quality sound in your vehicle. At number 10 we have Rockville Mono 2-ohm Car Amplifier. High power output, delivers 3000 watts peak power, 750 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 450 watts RMS at 4 ohms, perfect for powerful, high-impact bass in your car audio setup. Precision sound control, features adjustable 12 dB/octave crossover, subsonic filter, 15 Hz to 55 Hz, and 12 dB bass equalizer to fine-tune your sound. Advanced MOSFET technology, high-speed MOSFET power supply provides efficient, consistent power for reliable performance and enhanced sound quality. Convenient user interface, includes remote dashboard subwoofer control, LED illuminated logo, and RCA line input/output for flexible installation and easy control. Comprehensive protection, equipped with IC-controlled protection to safeguard against overheating, voltage issues, and short circuits for durability and peace of mind.